Hello, welcome to Absolut Drinks. I'm Rico, and today we're going to show you how to make the Harvey Wallbanger. We're going to make you a really simple drink today, and then just by aeration, you're going to elevate this to the levels of world-class cocktail. We're going to use the centrifugal juicer, and this is really going to make the juice aerated. This is just going to make the flavors of the orange juice pass elegantly over your tongue and really amplify the full flavors of the Harvey Wallbanger. If you don't have the powerful juicer at home to aerate your drinks, just use a stand mixer or a hand mixer. Juice your juice, job's a good one. All you're trying to do is get some air into that drink. We're gonna take our glass and we're gonna fill it with some ice. We've got some nice chopped up block ice here. And the original Absolut Vodka. 45 mils. Straight in, straight to the juicer, one whole orange, already peeled. Beautiful. Once we've got our lovely aerated juice, just pour it in straight over. There we go. We're gonna give that a little stir. Taking our bar spoon, just pouring over the back the addition of vanilla liqueur. There you have it, guys. The Harvey Wallbanger. Let's have a little sip. Fresh orange rounded off with vanilla notes. Can't argue with that. Great drink, the Wallbanger. That was delicious, actually. Not bad drink. Get your juice aerated, and it's gonna heighten the level of your screwdrivers and your Harvey Wallbangers to 11. Aerated juice, the Harvey Wallbanger. You're welcome.